Ni mfilm.
5 to 7 armed criminals who are armed with crude weapons, pangas, metal bars and such things, where they found the watchman, tied him and then proceeded to warehouses 7 and 8. In that warehouse there are 3 Chinese nationals who reside there, and these thugs were able to gain entry by breaking the glasses. Upon entry, there was some scuffle which led to injuries, serious injuries to the 3 Chinese nationals. Investigations have been launched, and special teams, homicide teams, including cyber crime units, are on the ground as we speak, helping us in processing the scene so that we can get to the bottom of the matter.